if you don't know how to use this device, it will cause you panic, anxiety. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, like what I promised, I'm gonna share to you how to use this device. But before anything else, don't forget to subscribe now on this channel. First, what is this device? So this device is a fetal Doppler. This is an ultrasound transducer that used to detect the fetal heartbeat of the unborn baby. I will show you how to use this device, how to operate, how to turn on, and how to locate and detect the fetal heartbeat of the unborn baby. So ito yung tinatawag na probe. Ito yung dinidikit sa tiyan nyo. Lalagyan nyo lang ng gel dito, then pwede nyo na siyang idikit sa tiyan. Then, how to use this device? By pressing the turn on button. Then makikita nyo, on na siya. Then meron lang siyang 2 arrows. It means the volume, to increase the volume. Yan, ito na yung pinaka-maximum niya. So, meron siyang 6 bar to maximize the volume. Then, itong arrow naman na to is to minimize the volume. So, dito, itong digital na yan, dyan yung makikita yung heartbeat ni baby. Kaya siya tatlo kasi usually 3 digits lahat ng heartbeat ni baby. It ranges from 120 to 160. Siyempre, ito is para malaman mo yung battery niya kung full pa siya or pa-drain na. Then this one, BPM, meaning yan is the beats per minute. So kung nakalagay dito, 160 beats per minute. Ganun siya. First, kapain mo yung matigas na part sa tiyan mo or kung saan yung may nakaharang. Then, put the ultrasound gel para mas madali mong ma-detect yung heartbeat ni baby. Then, put a probe on that gel and yun na. This is the heartbeat of my baby. To turn off the device, simply press the on and off button until the monitor disappears and clean the gel on your tummy. I'm gonna share also the safety tips of this fetal Doppler. But FYI, some Doppler can detect as early as 8 weeks, but some Doppler can detect as late as 12 to 14 weeks. I think it depends on the manufacturer or on the brand. I think the more expensive and the more branded, mas makakadetect ng heartbeat ni baby as early as possible. It is recommended to use the ultrasound gel. So I will show you one of that. This one. This is an ultrasound gel, but you can also use aloe vera gel. And some pregnant woman uses baby oil or anything gel like sanitizer. You can use them. If you will use gel, it makes easier for you to detect the fetal heartbeat of the baby. Kaya nga sa ultrasound, di ba may nilalagay silang gel para mas mabilis nilang makita si baby sa loob. So another tip is to maximize the volume of your device. For example, ganito. Yan. Turn it on. Then, put into the maximum level ng volume para pag ididikit nyo na yung probe sa tiyan nyo, hindi nyo na kailangang idiin yung probe na to dahil maririnig nyo na agad dahil nga naka-loud na siya. Another tip is to use the device maximum of 1 to 2 minutes only in a day For example, hindi mo na-detect yung heartbeat ni baby, stop ka na muna, then check mo na lang ulit tomorrow. Kasi according sa FDA, although wala pang research shown na safe siya or it may harm your baby, they are recommended to use the device for maximum of 1 to 2 minutes only per day and use only occasionally. They suggest to use the device once or twice in a week. Punta naman tayo sa advantage and disadvantages of this device. For me, the advantage of this device is readily available siya. So, just in case in a day, hindi mo nararamdamang gumagalaw si baby or less yung movement niya sa tiyan mo, you can use the device, readily available, and you can check your baby any time of the day para malaman yung status niya sa loob. If the heart still beating, if the baby is okay. So, yon. Another one for me is very affordable siya. I don't know if how much the branded one, but this one, although nabili ko siya sa Shopee, pero very useful siya and napakadali niyang gamitin. And nagagawa naman niya yung function niya as a fetal Doppler. So for me, it's okay kahit na mura lang siya. Another pros of this device is very handy siya. Kung titingnan nyo, maliit lang siya tingnan nyo. So pwede mo siyang dalhin sa bag mo kung saan ka magpunta. Then you can check your baby anytime you want as long as full yung battery niya. So ang pinaka disadvantages for me ng device na to is if you don't know how to use this device, it will cause you panic, anxiety, sadness. Kasi syempre kaya ka nga meron ito is to detect your heartbeat of the baby, if the baby is still alive, if the baby is still well or the heart still pumping. Tapos bigla mo na lang hindi madedetect yung heartbeat niya. So syempre ikaw mag-worry ka, ma-anxious ka, magpapanik ka. For example, ako nung mga first trimester ko, nahihirapan din akong i-detect yung heartbeat ni baby. Pero syempre, since lagi ko siyang ginagamit, naaral ko na din syempre kung paano mabilis ma-detect yung heartbeat ni baby using this device. For a first-time mom or for the first-time user of this device, it's very hard to palpate the back of the baby inside your womb and to detect the heartbeat of the baby. Kung nasan daw yung back ni baby or yung likod, dun mo i-check yung heartbeat ni baby. Kasi doon mas maririnig or mas madedetect mo yung heartbeat ni baby. Pero ako kasi, since matagal ko na siyang ginagamit, naging madali na rin sa akin kung paano makukuha yung heartbeat ni baby. Itong share ko is based lang sa experience ko and practice. Palpate mo lang siya kung saan siya matigas. Yan, palpate mo lang siya. Malalaman mo naman pag malambot kasi pag kapa mo, lumulubog agad yung kamay mo. Then pag palpate mo at meron parang nakaharang, dun mo ilalagay yung probe. Again, hindi ko siya sure kung sa inyo ganun din ba, pero sa akin ganun. Once na naramdaman ko na matigas yung part na yon, doon ako maglalagay ng gel and doon ko ilalagay yung probe. Tapos yun, nadedetect ko na agad yung heartbeat ni baby sa ganung way. So, it's just my suggestion based on my experience lang talaga. Kasi nga, since first trimester pa lang, ginagamit ko na tong device na to. So, I have clues, I experience, I have practice, ganun. And that's all for today. And I hope marami na naman kayong natutunan sa video na to, lalo na sa mga first time user ng Fetal Doppler. But I'm not recommending this brand or bumili kayo ng Fetal Doppler. I just want to share my experience and my knowledge and tips and advice of using this device. So this channel is all about pregnancy, motherhood, and family lifestyle. So if you want to watch more video like this, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel and click the bell button to get you notified every time na may ipopost ako mga new videos. And don't forget to like this channel, share this channel, and comment on my channel. Goodbye everyone!